So hello guys. Um to all Huawei users out there who's struggling to fix their Roblox app that crashing out, then said security threat detected. I've just found a solution, guys, and you just need to follow what I'm doing right now so you can fix it and play uh without crashing your app. Okay guys, first guys, just go to settings guys, then security, scroll down, then click more settings. Once you click the more settings menu, you can see this install app from external sources. Then just find our main browser, guys. This is only for Huawei users. Take note of that, because that error is only for Huawei users. Browser, guys, you just need to allow this browser to so you can install anything on this browser. So just back, then go to that browser, then you just need to search Aurora, that Aurora OSS. Then just click this, the first one is going to pop. Then on the left upper corner of our screen, just click these three lines, downloads. Okay guys, let's close this. There you go. Then just click this Aurora Store folder, then the release folder. Scroll down so you can see the latest version of the Aurora Store. Here guys, Aurora Store. So as you can see right now, this is the latest version of the Aurora Store, 4.7.5 APK. So you just need to download this. So in my case, I already downloaded this um Aurora store latest version. So after you install this guys, we just wait lang oh my god, here you just need to go to Aurora store. Then once you done installing the Aurora store, you ju- you just need to allow the required uh grants, or something like permissions, something like that. Then after that, you can sign in using Google account or as anonymous. So guys, after that, just go to games menu, then download Roblox. Simple as that. Install it. Then once you install it, log in your account, then it's done. Here, here guys, as you can see, I can play now without okay guys, so just follow the step-by-step tutorial so you can fix your Roblox app crashing out, like we're not allowed to play. So there, enjoy the game guys. Thank you for watching.